Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this special unboxing video featuring the Adidas Ozwego in Grey Legend Raw Khaki color. Today we are diving into the world of Adidas to explore one of their most intriguing sneaker designs. The Ozwego line has been turning heads for years, and this colorway is no exception. So, first, let's talk about the packaging. So, Adidas has the same packaging for standard line of shoes. It's not the flagship of Adidas shoes. So here we have normal coloring. Oh, it looks a little different than on the website. So as you can see, here we have a little another color. Oh my god, I don't know is this good or not. Okay, so what do we have in the packaging? In the packaging we have shoes and these. So it's very great that my laces are yellow, but why I need it? So maybe it will good fits, but we will check it later. I think it's not a good idea to install here yellow laces. Okay, so whoa. As you can see, so Adidas Ozwego line is known for its a little different, I don't know, seal hood, and this pair continues this legacy. The blend of materials, as you can see, here we have really different materials on the same sneakers. For example, here we have suede, and here we have, I don't know what we have here. I think it's just normal material. Oh, it's strange. Cool. As you can see, we have several types of midsole of the sole material. So here we have normal foam, and here we have the doom. Okay, but it looks really great. But my left shoe is a little damaged, and I really don't like it. Okay, here we have the gummy line. It is helping us to... No, it's not helping to do nothing. It's just for design. Okay, so it's standard Ozwego shoes, but with a little in other materials. So let's take a closer look of the left shoe. So I need to remove the paper. So I think that this is the glue here. Here we have something that looks like a laser, but I think that it's not the laser. It's a little strange, but where are the sizes? Oh, it's here. Made in Vietnam. Okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.